Hello, good morning students. I am RJ Ram, TGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Gaya. Dear students, today we are going to study a beautiful topic, the quarrel. This is a poem. The poet of this poem is Elena Farzan. About the poetess. Eleanor Farzan was born on 13 February 1881, was an English author of children's stories and plays, poetry, biography, history and satire. Several of her works had illustration by Edward Addison. Some of her correspondence has also been published. She won many literary awards, and the Eleanor Farzan Award for Children's Literature is presented annually in her memory by the Children's Book Circle, a society of publishers. She was the sister of thriller writer Joseph Jefferson Farzan. She was died on 5th June 1965. Introduction of the poem. Students, generally brother and sister quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over a very small and petty issues, but it takes a strong position. How with a small kind act the quarrels end, it is very mystic and beautiful. So let us read this poem to feel the same. Stanza 1. Dear students, I am going to read the stanza. You will clearly listen it. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Stanza 2. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Yes, students, you just listen the poem. Now, word meaning from the stanza. The first, quarreled. The meaning of this word, had a dispute. Another word, one thing led to another. It means the dispute lasted long. Fell out. Its meaning is quarreled. Slight. The meaning of this word is petty or very small. Strong. Very big. Turn black. Its meaning became very unpleasant or sad. Thumped. It means patted. Dear students, here are few rhyming words. As a brother, its rhyming word is another. About, its rhyming word is fell out. Slight, right, strong, wrong, night, right. Summary of the poem. One day the sister quarreled with her brother. The reason was very petty, but they shouted at each other. The quarrel was mild at first, mild, very gentle, very small, but it became strong in the end. Both of them claimed that they were right. They began to hate each other. They didn't talk to each other till evening. Then suddenly the brother realized his mistake. He decided to make up with the narrator. Narrator means your sister. He walked up to her and patted means thumped on her back, and felt sorry for the quarrel. He suggested that they should patch up. He admitted that he was at fault. The poet readily made up with him. The narrator also admitted that it was her fault that led to the quarrel. So she forgave him, and in this way the quarrel is over. What is the message? The message of the poem: the quarrel is about the quarrel between the siblings. The poet talks about the love hidden behind the quarreling of the siblings. They fight with each other, but they can't live without each other. In the poem, the poetess speaks about the quarrel between her and her brother. Dear students, now important points: targeted learning outcomes. What you learn after the lesson? After reading the poem, the students are able to enjoy and appreciate the beauty of the poem. Second things, students are able to listen the poem attentively. Next, students are able to develop creativity. Students are able to speak short and simple sentences. Students are able to relate it to their real life situation. And last, students are able to enrich their vocabularies. So these are targeted learning outcomes. Recapitulation. Now students, a few questions for you. What is the name of the poetess? I think you are clear about the question. Second question, does the poetess really know the cause of the quarrel? Third, how did their differences proceed? Fourth, what position did both of them take? Next question, who are we here? Sixth, why did they start hating each other? Next question, who made the first move for a patch-up? Last question, how did the quarrel end up into friendship? End up means turn into friendship. So this is the poem. Students, I think you are clear about the concept of the poem. Now you will write the answer of the question. So thank you students. Thanks to all.